Welcome guys, so again to this channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about $10 to $40,000 in 12 months. Now if we go to this AltraBots 2.1, that gives you about 2.3% on a daily basis. If you do $10 for today, that is making it 4th of April, by next year April you should have $40,000. that is the space of 12 months. So that is one of the things I'm talking about in this video. Now if you do the AltraBots 7.0 for $50 at the start, and if you do that for 365 days, first of all you need to know that this boat gives you 5% on a daily basis, and the minimum is $50 for 365 days. That is 12 months. You have $2.7 million to yourself. $2.7 million to yourself in 12 months. Now the third boat, which is AltraBots 4, that gives you 3.2% on a daily basis, start from $20 for 365 days, and 365 days you will have $1.9 million to yourself in 365 days. That is 12 months. So this is it, and I'm going to show you the calculator now. In this platform, that is AGT, the profit generation from 2 to 5% trading cryptocurrency auto arbitrage system offers 0.3% withdrawal fee, 0.6% deposit. You charge zero human interference. AGT payment gateway are decentralized and transaction automated. Now this is the 0% each boat is paying. The first boat, like I said, 2%, 0.3, while the second boat gives you 3.2, while the third boat gives you 5%. Now if we go to this calculator now, I'm going to show you something in my calculator right away. In this calculator you will begin to understand that you can actually make more than that percentage for yourself. Now for instance, the $10 we talked about, 2.3%, you say 1 year, and you do the math yourself, you will be surprised at your result in 1 year. So in 1 year, because of the compounding that you have done for 1 year, you see what you are going to get. That is 41,000% in 1 year. Now for instance, if you decide to do for $20 for 1 year, you just dump $20 for them there for 1 year, and you see the outbreak of the 1 year. So for $20 you are going to be having about $80,000 in 1 year. That is more than 4,000% of your capital. If you see this system, because for me, I'm not saying it's a trustworthy, but currently as it stands, it's paying, and you can achieve this by doing this. There's a platform I'm going to introduce to you guys. I've watched that platform for over 3 months now, and they have done massively well, and they're doing well. It has a similarity with this platform AGT, because I can see from their standpoint of view, and what they are actually doing here is the crypto arbitrage. They have the boat already, and these boats are actually trading for them already. Live trade has been done with this system, by is buying from one exchange to the other exchange, You understand how what crypto arbitrage is all about. So this is one of the things that made me believe that this is going to be a system that can last for a while. We have not done, we have seen several systems after a year, 8 months, it's gone down to the drain because we are not seeing them, people behind this system. We're not seeing they're actually, if they're actually trading on the system. Now, for instance, if you do $1,000, there are people who can take this risk of $1,000 for 1 to the next 12 months. So you know that after that 12 months, you're already breaking the bank for that $1,000 you have actually put into this system. So you see that risk is what we talk about here. I talk about risk because for you to make money, you need to take some kind of responsible risk for yourself for you to make money. Now, there's one secret I want to talk about now. I will do a special video for that. Now, if you do $100 for both, okay, let's check the other boat and see. Boat 4, coach gives you 15% in a day. Now, if you do $100 on this boat, $100, that's what my target is. You have 160 to yourself, and in 30 days you have about 150% to yourself. But if you break even here on the 15th day and you decide to take to cancel the current trade, then we come back again and enter it again for another 15 days, you will have what we call 120% instead of 150% for the month. So you understand now? So if you are doing that, for instance, and you are doing this boat, for instance, now look at the math here. If you do it for consistently for the next 30 days, this is the 30 days ROI. Now, if you take your $100 from this, you will have $157. You understand now? So this is the magic. This is the very basic thing that you need to understand about this boat. That you can turn the money to nothing at the end of 30 and 12 months. You understand now? So now, if you go in with $1,000, after 15 days, you will have what we call 1,600 US dollars. If you leave that for the next 30 days, by not breaking the even, that day you break even on the 15th, you're not taking away anything, you decide to leave it there for 30 days, you will have $1,500 for yourself. But if you do take away and bring back again your money, bring back your 100, take your capital or profit 60%, you will have $1,200 in 30 days. So you see the math now. You see the math in between now. So if you decide to leave it, it keeps compounding and gives you 150%. If you take it away, come back with your $100, you have 120% in the whole 30 days. So you see now, you're going to miss 30% that's supposed to profit you doing that, letting that compounding to work for you effectively. So this is what I want to understand. You need to understand that the possibility of making $40,000 is here now. Now, I want to say something in the other boat. Sorry. This boat 7, if you see it very, very clear for 60 days. If you see it clear for 60 days, you understand their graph here. If you do $1,000, let me talk about $1,000 now. In 60 days, you have $18,000. Now, if you leave it for 120 days, this is what you amazing result that you'll be getting. 348,000 US dollars in 120 days, without you not taking that fund away in 120. So 5% is what you get on a daily basis. So this is one of the things that you need to understand, the strategy that you need to understand here. So when you are applying it to your capital and whatever you are doing here, you understand that these things work. The risk is what I'm talking about. It's risky, but I'm telling you, for the risk, there's something that is coming with the risk. So guys, you know you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Share, like, comment. See you guys in the next video.